Palette Hunt AI just dropped, and after testing it, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're looking for the best just released AI software for effortless color palette creation, stick around. This one might completely change how you approach design. And yes, you can try it for completely free from the first link below. So what makes Palette Hunt AI worth your attention? First off, it's not just a tool that spits out random color combos. It's trained to understand design aesthetics, analyzing your image, mood, or project style, and then generating palettes that actually make sense. This is ideal for web designers, brand creators, or even marketers who need to stay on brand fast. No more scrolling Pinterest or fiddling with Adobe tools. This AI does it instantly. It supports multiple input styles. You can upload an image, describe a vibe like coastal calm or futuristic tech, and it'll generate spot-on results. And here's something smart. It doesn't just generate hex codes. It gives you full palettes with variations for text, highlights, accents, and backgrounds. That alone makes it 10 times more usable than your average palette generator. It also works lightning fast. I tested it across devices, and it's web-based. No clunky downloads. I even used it to build a color theme for a landing page redesign, and the output was better than what I'd manually picked in Figma. The algorithm clearly pulls from both current design trends and timeless theory, which makes me believe the developers behind Palette Hunt AI actually get digital marketing and branding. Now here's what I didn't expect. It integrates with design tools like Figma, Canva, and Adobe XD. That means you're not copy-pasting codes all day. It's drag and drop simple. The workflow boost is real. You're probably wondering, how AI is it really? Well, it learns. If you tweak a palette, it refines future suggestions. The more you use it, the better it gets. That feedback loop gives it an edge over basic generators. Now, here's the part you'll want to test for yourself. It's especially good at finding color harmony in things like UGC, product photos, or branding concepts where traditional tools would struggle. And for entrepreneurs or solopreneurs with no design team, this is a game changer. Palette Hunt AI review verdict. It's probably one of the best just released AI softwares for creatives and marketers. Whether you're building ad creatives, websites, or a social brand from scratch, it takes the guesswork out of colors. Fast, clean, and surprisingly smart. Don't forget, you can try Palette Hunt AI completely free from the first link in the description. And if you're curious what other AI tools are actually worth your time, I've listed my top recommendations below. After testing thousands of them, these are the ones that actually delivered.